Trusting in Allah, SWT 7. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the coronavirus, and how fast it is spreading across the world. It is important for Muslims to understand that Islam teaches Muslims to achieve true trust in Allah, the Exalted, by utilizing the means He has created in a balanced way, and then trust that the outcome Allah, the Exalted, chooses is best for them. In the case of the coronavirus, Muslims should take reasonable precautions such as good hygiene, without going overboard, such as wearing a hazmat suit in public. But they should trust and understand a fact, namely, only the things which Allah, the Exalted, decrees can affect them. Meaning, if Allah, the Exalted, wills some benefit for someone, the entire creation put together cannot prevent them from gaining it. And if Allah, the Exalted, desires to afflict someone with something, such as an illness, the entire creation put together cannot save them from it. This has been made clear in Islamic teachings, such as the narration found in Jami' at-Tirmizi, number 2516. Chapter 6 Al-An'am, verse 17.
And if Allah should touch you with adversity, there is no remover of it except Him. And if He touches you with good, then He is over all things competent.
Islam teaches a balanced approach whereby one takes reasonable precautions which Allah, the Exalted, has created and provided them with, but trusts that what Allah, the Exalted, has decreed is inevitable and best for them, even if they fail to observe the wisdoms behind it. This attitude and belief prevents paranoia and stress. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
In addition, the rapid spread of this virus should encourage Muslims to sincerely repent to Allah, the Exalted, and strive in His obedience by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. And they should especially fulfill their duty of kindly commanding good and forbidding evil, according to their knowledge. This is because the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has warned in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 4019, that when immorality becomes widespread and public, people will be afflicted with new diseases which never occurred before them.